Okay, for number 3, it says Jen invests $2,400 in a savings account that pays interest at a rate of 4% per year, compounded annually. She leaves the money in her account for 10 years. She does not invest or withdraw any money during this time. Letter A, calculate the value of her savings after 10 years. So this is a compound interest problem. The initial amount she puts in her account is $2,400. Interest rate's 4%. It's compounded annually. She's going to keep the money in her account for 10 years, so that gives us all the information we need to calculate FV. So FV would equal 2,400 times 1 plus 4. Again, don't change the percent into a decimal for this one. Leave it. Divided by 100 times K. K represents how many times it's compounded per year, so it's times 1. And then to the K times N power, so that would be 1 times 10. So we type that right into our calculator. So it comes out to be $3,552.59. Notice the directions say corrected 2 decimal places. $3,552.59. Now, part B says the rate of inflation during this 10-year period is 1.5% per year. Calculate the real value of her savings after 10 years. We never really talked about inflation when we had these types of problems, but inflation affects the interest rate in a negative way. The higher the inflation, usually the higher the interest rates are for loans and mortgages and stuff like that. So really, the value of her savings account isn't going to be this high. It's going to be lower. And so we're going to calculate that by now saying that the answer we just found in letter A is our new PV, and then the one other change I'll show you in a second. So we're going to have FV equals 3,552.59 times, now here's where the change is in the equation. It's going to be 1 minus 4 over 100 times 1 to the 1 times 10 power. Okay, with the inflation rate affecting interest in our equation, how it's going to affect our equation is that we're going to subtract the R over 100K. So now we type this into our calculator. 3,552.59 minus so the real value of her account is only $2,361.88.